Hello, I'm Chris from Resideo. Today I'll share with you multiple strategies to help you optimize the performance of your Honeywell whole home dehumidification system. First, let's take a look at the air filter. The filter on the dehumidifier is one of the most important components. It removes the impurities from the air and helps keep the coil clean. Over time, a dirty air filter will reduce the airflow through the dehumidifier and cause it to malfunction. I recommend checking the air filter on every service call and replacing as needed. With normal use, the filter should be changed approximately once a year. Be sure to unplug the dehumidifier before servicing it. To change the filter, remove the magnetic filter door. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the retaining bracket. Remove the filter and replace it with new. Then reattach the bracket and the magnetic filter door. Next, let's check the dehumidifier's drainage system. As the dehumidifier collects moisture from the air, it produces condensate. That condensate needs to be properly drained to prevent overflow or leaks. Locate the drain outlet near the bottom of the dehumidifier next to the magnetic filter door. Check the drain hose for any blockages, leaks, or signs of wear. Clean and clear any debris to ensure proper drainage. If the dehumidifier has an external condensate pump attached to it, follow the manufacturer's recommendations for cleaning and maintaining the pump. Lastly, check the humidity settings for the dehumidifier. Make sure the dehumidifier is set to maintain a relative humidity between 40 and 60% for optimal comfort and to prevent mold growth. To check the humidity settings for the dehumidifier, locate the external control for the unit and refer to the user manual to adjust the settings if needed. If servicing a DR65 with an external control, be sure the onboard control is set to the off position. If your customer wants to update their external control, I recommend one of the following compatible products: the T10 or T10 Plus Pro Smart Thermostat, Prestige IQ Thermostat Kit, Vision Pro Smart or Vision Pro Red Link Thermostat, or the HumidiPro Digital Control. Thank you for watching. For additional information, please visit Resideo Academy.